Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the heli and assigning roles: pilot, 2 gunners, and a backup. You load rockets and ammo, then power up while 1 gunner watches for manned SAMs. Once done, taxi away from the base to avoid spawn aggro and climb to 200-300 meters to reduce small arms threats. Make sure to brief target priorities: raid bases, armored players, or supply drops. The reason is survival and damage control, with roles clear. You reduce wasted shots and avoid mid-air chaos. You approach targets with altitude superiority and controlled speed so gunners can lead shots accurately. 1 gunner suppresses infantry, while the other concentrates rockets on armored or high-value structures. Once engaged, switch to short strafes to expose new angles and avoid focused ground fire. Make sure to call out suppressing fire and reload windows. Coordinated reloads prevent vulnerability. The how and why matter. Consistent positioning keeps you alive longer, and you finish by landing safely in cover to assess damage and repair. If the heli is repairable, use a repair bench or field tool quickly while a guard watches. Once done, refuel and restock rockets before relaunch. If engines die mid-flight, bail in a controlled order. Pilot exit first, then gunners, so at least 1 can attempt emergency repairs. Troubleshoot lock issues by confirming rocket ammo type and re-equipping. If that fails, reload the server or switch seats to reset targeting mechanics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.